Hello students, welcome back to the class. Now students, after doing the multiplication sums, let's do the problems related to the multiplication in the statement form. Today we have take the question, and the question says a train ticket from Bangalore to Mysore costs rupees 120. If there are 315 passengers, then find out the total fare collected from them. First we write cost of one ticket from Bangalore to Mysore is equal to rupees 120. Total number of passengers on the train is equal to 350. Then total amount collected is equal to rupees 120 into 350. Then first we write according to their place values. Then we multiply 315 into 120. First we multiplying 315 into 0. The answer is 0. Next 315 into 20. The answer is 6300. Last we multiplying 315 into 100. The answer is 31500. Then we add this product. The answer is 37,800. Therefore, the total fare collected is rupees 37,800. We have taken the question, another question, and the question says a rice packet of company A costs rupees 815 and that of company B costs rupees 750. Arjun buys 150 rice packets of company A and 120 rice packets of company B. Find the total amount spent by Arjun. So we first write cost of one rice packet of company A is equal to rupees 850. Next, cost of 115 such packets equal to rupees 815 into 115. So we first multiplying these two numbers, then first arrange according to their place values. Then we multiplying 815 into 150. So we first multiplying 815 into 0. The answer is 0. Next 815 into 50. The answer is 42,500. Last we multiplying 815 into 100. The answer is 85,000. Then we added these products and the answer is 1,27,500. Therefore, the total cost of 115 rice packets of company A is rupees 1,27,500. Next, we moving on to company B. Cost of one rice packet of company B is equal to rupees 715. Cost of 120 such rice packets is equal to rupees 715 into 120. So we multiplying these two numbers. Then first we arrange the numbers according to their place values. We multiplying 715 into 120. We multiplying 715 into 0. The answer is 0. Next 715 into 20. The answer is 15,000. Next, lastly we multiplying 715 into 100. The answer is 75,000. So we add these products and the answer is 90,000. Therefore, the total cost of 120 rice packets of company B is rupees 90,000. Hence, the total amount spent by Arjun is equal to the two amounts are added. Rupees 1,27,500 plus 90,000. The answer is rupees 2,17,500. Hello students, welcome back to the class. Now we have take a question and the question says Ramesh sells electrical appliances. He purchased 135 iron boxes at the rate of rupees 780 each. Find the amount he spent to purchase the iron boxes for his shop. So let's see how to perform this. First we write Cost of one iron box is equal to rupees 780. Then cost of 135 such iron boxes is equal to rupees 718 into 135. So we first write according to their place value. When we multiplying 718 into 135, then we begin multiplying. We multiply 718 into 5 and the answer is 3900. Next, we multiplying 718 into 30. The answer is 23,400. Last, we multiplying 718 into 100. The answer is 78,000. So lastly, we added these products. Answer is 1,05,300. Therefore, the total cost of 135 such iron boxes is rupees 1,05,300.